Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I have in front of me this Adria Matrix All In 670 SL. It costs 88,000 euros, 749 centimeters long, and let's have a walk around it. Right, you can see, looking back to the rear, that it's got what I call the German layout. So it's got this huge bed at the back. It'll be even huger when we put the inlay in this bit here. Where's the inlay? Fortunately, it's easy to reach. It's on the bed. I'll try and push it in with my hand, and that'll give you a good look at what it looks like. Under this here, I'll take this off right now that I've shown you, and it's easy to do with one hand. Push this back in, and under here you've got some storage down there, so let's see, keep some boxes or something in there, or your shirts or your spare hippopotamus, this type of thing. And in here you've got your wardrobe. Now, in the steps going up as well, we'll possibly find somewhere. Oh, yeah, felt that. Find some storage there as well. And if I remember rightly, there's some down there as well. Like I say, I do remember rightly. Right, at the back here, we've got a window at either side, and there's a window in the roof. And we can come right to the back here, and in here, yeah, storage there as well. Note the indirect lighting, quite attractive. And looking at it from this angle down here, we've also got this privacy curtain here, and that is a curtain which I think is much better than having a solid door, in my opinion, because solid doors will rattle, I think, after you've had the vehicle for some time. The curtain will rattle as well, but the curtain will rattle less noisily. I see it has come off the thing there. Oh no, it's broken anyway. Anyway, let Adria sort that one out. In here we have got this toilet with these basins are daft like that. I mean, everybody's doing it these days, but I think they're a bit pointless. I'd rather have a nice moulded one and flat around it. We've got a storage inside the toilet as well. Let's open this up and then have a look through it. Place there to hang your towels. There's me in the mirror, and coming around the other side we've got a shower, large shower. It's got a bar up there so you can wash your socks at night, and leave them there to dry. I do like this to sit on, mind you. I know it's there because the wheel's under it, but I do like that, sit on, and I can get my feet clean. Look at that, two nice domestic drainage points, two as well. It doesn't get much better than that. There's also a bit of space there to stick your shampoo or whatever it is that you're using to clean yourself with. As I come in here, we've got a square shaped sink. We've got over here 3 burners, and we've got, of course, some storage down here. There you go, proper wall as well on that. Let's have a look down here. Is anything worth seeing here? There you go, proper walls on that one as well. On the other side we have got a tower fridge from Thetford, and we've got some more storage above it. This is usually where people want to put the television. You know what, you'd probably put an oven in there if you wanted to, probably. I don't know what the gas layout is inside here, because people say, where's the oven? Well, I say it's in the shops. You've got to buy it first. Up here we've got another bed, so that will come down electronically, and maximum 200 kilos in that one. You can see the slide where it comes down either side. This bit here is very large table, and also note that the floor is flat, and there's some compartments in the floor. Let's have a look what we find in the compartment. Probably nothing, but let's have a look. Oh, look at that, there's a water tank, and I'm going to guess there's a black water tank in that one. It's also heating down here, or rather where the heat comes out. Nice big panoramic roof window there, another roof window there, and there's the one in the back I mentioned earlier. Here is the television. It's an invisible one, so you've got to put the television go up there, and down here's a place to put your flip-flops or whatever it is you wear outside. Heating control up there. Let's have a look outside. They've got a large garage here. Look at that, big at the other side. Oh, we've also got here a 12 amp plug, 120 volt, 10 amps on that. We've got a plug there so you can charge your electric bike up if you've got one. A bit of a cubby hole there, and cubby holes all around. I'm wondering what's down here because I genuinely don't know, and this thing comes off in my hand, so I'll just put this back in like that and sort that one out later. I can't see the point. That wouldn't be better if it had hinges on, or maybe there's a good reason why it doesn't have hinges on it. That's what the Matrix looks like from the rear. And so here's another Matrix, but it's a generic family, so that's the reason for the name. Here we'll have just a quick walk down this road here, looking at these vehicles. So there you go, some Adria vehicles here. There's quite a lot, in fact, I'd have to say. These are campervans as well. There's an interesting campervan using the insulated tent in the roof. That isn't an insulated tent in the roof, but I'm going to have to find it. If it's here, of course. It mightn't be. Can't see it there. Well, maybe it hasn't been brought here, but they do have one with an insulated tent in the roof. Right, so there you have had a little bit of a walk around. This is the largest event for motorhomes, campervans and the like in the world, and so therefore that's the reason why I'm here. Okay, there you go, Matrix All In 670 SL, cost of I think it was 87, and you can get 6,000 off. Hope you found that interesting. Quick walk around, quick look at the inside of the van. If you did, then you might want to subscribe. Upload any case every day at 21:15. Sometimes I do videos outside of this time. I want to do more lives, I know, and but for the moment, from me in Dusseldorf, thanks for being here, and bye for now.